Hi, my name is Corey Kant, Dr. Corey Kant, and I'll be your instructor throughout this term. And I wanted to take a few minutes to introduce both myself and Business 233 Business Statistics. In this course, you'll gain a broad introduction to statistical concepts, techniques, and analysis. We'll look at the two broad divisions within the field of statistical science. These are inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. Inferential statistics is applied when we do not have data on the whole of an existing population. We'll rarely have such data on the whole of a population. Thus, we utilize samples to draw inferences about the characteristics of that whole population. As we look at distributions of data in particular, we're going to be looking at concepts like the mean or average value and standard deviation, which is a measure of dispersion of data or data observations around an average or mean value. We'll also look at common distributions such as the chi-square distribution, the binomial distribution, and of course, the workhorse distribution, the normal distribution. We'll look at the two main means of developing inferential statistics, which are hypothesis testing and the construction of confidence intervals. When we construct confidence intervals, we will look at the two broad divisions within the field of statistical science. These are inferential statistics and descriptive statistics. Inferential statistics is applied when we do not have data on the whole of an existing population. We'll rarely have such data on the whole of a population. Thus, we utilize samples to draw inferences about the characteristics of that whole population. Descriptive statistics, on the other hand, is a means of describing observed characteristics of data and theoretical distributions of data. We compare these theoretical distributions of data to observed distributions of data that are exhibited by particular samples. When we construct confidence intervals, we use test statistics to form judgments regarding our confidence in the ability of those test values or test statistics to adequately represent. When we construct confidence intervals, we use tests. When we construct confidence intervals, we use test statistics to characterize when we construct confidence intervals, we use test statistics to form judgments about the characteristics of a larger population. We will also be looking at big data, which is a big issue these days. We'll be looking at prescriptive analytics, which is a form of business analytics aimed at finding the best course of action for a firm or some entity to pursue. We'll also be looking at prescriptive analytics, which is a subset of business analytics aimed at finding the best course of action for a given situation. We'll close out this semester by looking at regression analysis and the concept of correlation. With this being said, I should note that we will have two primary assessments across the space of this semester. We will have a multiple choice exam, which is our final exam in Module 8. We'll also have an exam, a midterm exam in Module 4. Other than that, you're responsible for weekly discussions and a few other assignments. These are very low pressure assignments designed to acquaint you with the field of statistics, and these are designed to encourage you to think about the importance of statistical analysis in your own life and future professional or other endeavors. We'll begin this semester in Module 1 looking at technology tools that we can use To succeed in this course, we're going to look at 3 primary options: StatCrunch, Excel, and a TI-83 or 84 graphing calculator. There are a number of other tools that are specified as being equally acceptable if you're familiar with these. We expect that you will acquire statistical literacy and some skill in statistical analysis in a low stress, low pressure environment. And I want you to know that I'm here to support you through that process, and I encourage you to get in touch. And I'm always here for your questions and concerns. Have a great semester.